Hi guys. Today I'm going over the Jack's Paradox, which is basically a trick I put together using various card tricks put into one. Now, this isn't very difficult, so all you're going to need is the 4 Jacks. You can use really any set of cards. I just preferably like to use the 4 Jacks. Okay? Now, it involves a little setup. Basically, you take the blackjacks, and you're going to have one face up on the top of the deck, another jack face down, doesn't matter which order, and then the 2 red jacks face down. Okay? Again, that's 2 red jacks face down, 1 face down blackjack, and 1 face up blackjack. From here, you get on into the trick. Now, you basically have a spectator pick a card. I preferably dribble to make sure I don't flash, but since it's the 3rd card down, you can really block push off to have a card selected from a spread. So they pick a card. Now, as they're looking at the card, you're going to get a pinky break under the top card, which is a red jack. Okay? So you get a pinky break, and you're going to put their card face up on the top of the deck. Now from here, you're going to pick up from the pinky break. What that's going to do is it's going to put a red jack behind their card, but they're not going to know this. So from here, you put the card in the middle, face up, making sure not to flash the jack, and you say, alright, I'm going to have the red jacks, I'm going to show you how fast the red jacks can find your card. Now, basically now your order is 1 red jack on top, and the other red jack is behind their card. Okay? So all you're going to do to have the jack sandwich their card backwards is you're gonna bring your hand over, like you're basically going to take the card out, and as you're taking this card out, the middle card, you're going to peel the top card off like this. So you're going to grab it, you're going to peel the top card, then grab both cards in the middle and flip over. Okay? And then you're just going to spread out the cards. So you're basically, it's going to look like you sandwiched your card, and the jacks just randomly appeared out of nowhere. Okay? I'll do that again. So you have their card, they're looking at it, you get your pinky break, card goes on top, you pick up from the break, red jack behind, that card goes into the middle, you grab, you peel, you open, and you show that the 2 red jacks grabbed your card. Now, at speed, it should naturally spread itself out from the way you're going to grab it. So at speed, it will look like this. Okay? So then you just show that the jack grabbed their card. So that's the first phase. The second phase is you take the card out and you put it on top of the deck. Okay? Now, from here, you're going to say, I'm going to make the card melt. Now, you're going to misdirect them and say, through the 2 jacks. And as you're doing that, you're just going to get another pinky break. Now, you're going to put the jacks down, one by one. So you show the backs, and pick up from the break. So again, you have their card behind both jacks. Okay? From here, you're going to peel off the top card with your thumb, keeping these 2 cards squared up. Put this jack with their card behind it on top, and then re-grip. So you have this, from the back you have this. And then you point and say, I'm going to make the ace melt through the jacks. And they still think this is the ace. Now, all you're going to do, you can present this any way you'd want. I preferably like to put the jack down with the card behind it, line it up on the deck like this, and then I just shake my hand a little bit, and then push over the card. So it actually looks like the the top card rather, melts through the first jack. And then you can show that their card melted through. Now, you're going to take their card out and just put it down on the table. Now from here, here's the 3rd phase. This is where the red jacks will turn into the black jacks. So you're basically, your order now is 1 face down, 1 face up. And you're going to get a pinky break under those top 2 cards. Now you're going to put the jacks down one by one, when you pick up from the break, okay, you're going to have 4 cards. Your order will be 1 red jack, another red jack, a face down black jack, and then a face up red jack. They're just going to think it's the 2 red jacks. So again, on top, and you pick up from the break. Now you're going to thumb peel off the top jack. And this is a block of 3. All you're going to do is flip this jack over. Now what this is doing is when you flip it over, you're ditching this jack face down, and then you have the face up blackjack and then the face down blackjack. So you're basically, that's the change. So then you can present this any way you want. So again, you thumb peel off and you flip that card over, those 3 cards over. Now you just have to thumb push off, and you could show they changed into the blackjacks, like so. Now from here, all you're going to do is your order now with the red jacks is the same as it was with the blackjacks. So you're basically now just going to reverse it, but with the blackjacks and then their ace. So you put their ace face down on top of the blackjacks. You pick this up, and you're going to make sure that the jacks are going face down. Okay? So you have the break under the red jacks. You're going to pick up from your break. This might be a little complicated. Now you have a face down blackjack, a face down blackjack, their card face up, a face down red jack, and a face up red jack. All under the pinky break. Now from here, you're basically going to do the shapeshifter, but I prefer to shake it. So basically you're going to pick up from each corner. Now I hold the cards in my right hand. If you hold the card in your right hand, your left thumb is going to contact the left bottom corner, and the right thumb is going to hit the right top corner with your middle finger. Okay? If you're left-handed, just mirror this. Now from here, you're just going to pick up from that break, and what you're going to do is you're going to shake your hand back and forth. And as you're shaking your hand, your index finger is going to come over to this long edge here, and it's going to contact the corner, and it's going to pull back into your palm, and that's going to cause the cards to rotate. Okay, again, your index finger is just going to come down, and it's going to pull in towards your palm, like that. Now, you're going to shake the cards as you do this. So you're going to be like this, and your index finger is going to spin those cards around. So at speed, it won't look like it just looks like you're shaking the cards because nothing changes. So at speed, it will look like this. Now you put the cards on the deck and then deal off. Now it'll look like the blackjacks changed into the red jacks, and you just deal off. And now there's their card. And you could say now all of the jacks have appeared, and then you just simply flip over their card that's reversed in between all 4 jacks now. And that's Jack's Paradox.